How to add new position on LinkedIn? You can add new position on LinkedIn with the same company, or if you have switched your job, you can add the new position with a different company. So I will show you how you can add your promotion, how you can show your promotion. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go to the my LinkedIn profile. So just first you have to log in with your profile, and now go to your profile page. You can click on your name, or you can go from here, just tap on view profile. So your profile will be open now, and you can see in my account I have add the promotion here in same company. So you can see the with the same company in YouTube I have add the 4 5 promotions. So I will show you how you can add. You can add directly from here. Just click on it, and this page will be open. Now you have to uh, you know uh, mm, in the title, like whatever title you have, like digital marketing specialist, I just select. Now go to the employment type. So here you have to select full time, part time, whatever. So here company name is very important. If you got the promotion with the same company, you have to select the same company and the same location. Okay, just same the location. And if you have if you have switched your job, so you can change your company, and you can change your location as per your company have. Okay, so now I just change my company from YouTube to Google, United States. So here I'm currently working here. So here you need to enter start month and year. If you don't work there, just untick it, and now you have to enter the you know in year. So you can see in date, month and year. I just tap here to show that I'm currently working there. Okay, so you can in your current position, that is already show you. It will not show to the peoples if you don't in it. It will show, but you can in it, or you if you don't want to in it, just untick it. You can add media also here, like you can add external link, document, photos, add whatever. Just save it. So did you find the job on LinkedIn? Okay, that is okay. So you can see the new position has been added here. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.